Hello everyone, I'm Harjot Singh from Sagar Machine Tools Pvt Limited, Ludhiana. We are one of the pioneer manufacturers of machine tools in India. Uh, it's been more than 50 years to this company, and we are making panomillers, CNC machines, and the bigger VMCs and the SPMs. We have come all the way from Punjab to exhibit to have this stall in this exhibition. It is a nice exhibition, nicely managed, and we see all things are very systematic, and we are getting a good response. And I would like to congratulate Mr. Shrikant, his team, for the best efforts. And this is a nice show what they have put up, and we are having a good experience. This is the best exhibition that I have visited. Thank you so much.